Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The design of a 2026 Maserati Motorhome suggests an intriguing fusion of the practical requirements of mobile living with Italian luxury. Although Maserati's main focus is on luxury sedans and high-performance sports vehicles, their entry into the motorhome market requires a fusion of their well-established design philosophy with the practical needs of a recreational vehicle. A 2026 Maserati Motorhome's exterior design would probably reflect the brand's distinctive style and energy. The motorhome's form would incorporate sleek, flowing lines that are reminiscent of their automobile offerings. It might have a long, low profile for a vehicle of its class and prominently show the trident insignia, one of the signature Maserati design elements. They might discreetly incorporate advanced aerodynamic principles, refined from their car expertise, to maximize stability and fuel efficiency while en route. The color scheme would probably be inspired by Maserati's elegant collection, maybe featuring unique, multi-layered finishes that radiate sophistication and depth. It would be like entering a custom-built Italian apartment when you stepped inside a 2026 Maserati Motorhome. Using high-end materials like soft Italian leather, exquisite wood veneers, and painstakingly created metal embellishments would be a top priority in the interior design. The arrangement would be carefully planned to optimize comfort and space, maybe using cutting-edge modular designs that enable various permutations. Adding natural light through well-placed panoramic windows will increase the feeling of space and provide residents with engrossing views of their surroundings. In terms of technology, the 2026 Maserati Motorhome would have cutting-edge features. A state-of-the-art infotainment system that smoothly combines high-fidelity music and a wide range of connectivity choices would be part of this. A safe and elegant driving experience would be guaranteed by sophisticated driver assistance systems that draw from Maserati's automotive expertise. Additionally, the living space would probably have smart home integration, enabling simple control over the entertainment, lighting, and climate. Performance and the needs of a larger vehicle would need to be balanced by the 2026 Maserati Motorhome's powertrain. Although it might not be feasible to directly modify their high-revving engines, a strong and sophisticated engine, possibly a hybridized system, could supply enough torque for smooth cruising and effective operation. Advanced air suspension and adaptive dampening technology may be incorporated into the ride and handling characteristics to provide a degree of comfort and poise worthy of the Maserati name. A 2026 Maserati Motorhome would essentially be a one-of-a-kind offering, a mobile haven that epitomizes Italian performance and luxury. It would serve a discriminating audience looking for a remarkable vacation experience, where the trip is as elegant and delightful as the final destination. Although yet only a concept, the idea of a Maserati entering the RV market presents an alluring image of affluent mobile living.